Hi everyone, this is Hassan from SEOXOOM.com. In previous video we installed Let's Encrypt SSL certificate in our server. So in today's video we'll be installing WordPress on our machine. So if you have followed all of my series, then you remember that in previous video we connected that machine with our hosting provider. So today we'll enter our URL and also to our WP admin. So it will redirect to our installation page. Here you have to install, continue. Here you have to select the title, digital marketing. Here you have to select the username. I've selected mine. So the password, I have to select my own password. And the email. Alright, so here you have to don't check this box because we want the search engine to index our site. So everything looks good. Install WordPress. So WordPress has been installed, so we can log in using our username and the password. And we are in. So hope you liked the video and hope you liked the tutorial. So in the next video we'll be discussing how we can SEO and how we can install a theme. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and see you in the next video.